What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the new channel, RAFFY Collects. The new YouTube channel name has finally been revealed. Shout out to everyone supporting the channel and supporting this decision. I really think this is a really smart decision on my part, and just for the long run of my channel. So I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me and all the positive feedbacks you guys have been giving me on Instagram and on my last video. So I appreciate each and one of you guys. Thank you so much. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, yes, I almost bought fake early Yeezys of the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfils that are set to release August 22nd for $220. So before I get into the whole backbone and background story of this, like I said, guys, this is from experience. I want you guys to realize everyone has different experiences when it comes to the GOAT app, StockX, and other sneaker consignment apps. And if you guys can relate to me with this story, make sure you guys comment down below in the comment section and let me know how your guys' experience goes when it comes to the GOAT app or StockX. I really want to know. But this story is regarding to the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfils. Like I said, they are set to release in like 2 weeks. I've told you guys in the past that I've bought early pairs from the GOAT app. I've bought the Zyons in the past. I've bought a couple of Jordans and Nikes early pairs in the past from the GOAT app, and most of them have been through the authentication process from the GOAT app. If you guys seen the prices of these Yeezy 350 V2 Israfils, they are going for like $1,400, $1,500, $2,000 for an early pair. Me personally, guys, I will never pay that price for an early pair, especially for 350 V2s. I look at the GOAT app every single day. The sneaker market obviously changes every single day, every week, so I'm constantly on the GOAT app every single day to look at the best deals and see if I could get the best deals on certain shoes. So one day I looked at these Yeezy Israfils for an early pair to review and to show you guys in hand how they look like. And I seen that the Yeezys were going for $350 for a size 10. And knowing that I told you guys that resale price right now for an early pair is going for $1,400 to $2,000 depending on your size, I seen a size 10 selling for $350. That one size, new OG everything, new in box and everything. So what did I do? I end up buying it because that is like a really good deal for an early pair. You don't see an early pair for $350. You normally see like $500 to $800. If you get lucky with getting it with a box, like, and you get it for that price, like that is a deal. But like I said, I'm not paying $1,000 for an early pair, guys. Like I said, if you guys don't know how the process works with the GOAT app, once you buy a sneaker, you have to wait till the seller confirms it, and then you wait till they send it to GOAT, so GOAT could go through their authentication process with the sneaker. So that normally takes about 4 to 5 business days depending how long the seller sends it to GOAT. And then they normally take about a couple hours to, you know, authenticate the shoe to make sure it's real. So if you guys get a message in the long run, if you guys get a notification from the GOAT that they are searching for a replacement for your sneaker that you purchased, yeah, at that point the shoe is pretty much it's feezies. At that point it's pretty much fake. I've been in this situation before. I've purchased multiple off-white sneakers, Yeezys in the past, and they did not pass the GOAT authentication process. They normally take 24 hours to search a replacement. If they can't find a replacement within like 48 hours, they issue you guys a refund. So that's what they pretty much did. I got my money back and that was it. That is pretty much my story when it comes to the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfils. Regardless, I think it's more of the experience of buying a sneaker and a early pair from the GOAT app. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below your experiences when it comes to buying early pairs or any sneakers on an app. Guys, let me know, because I've never had a bad experience. I really like reading your guys' experience from the GOAT app, so make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know in the comment section as well how you guys feel about the Israfils. Is it a must cop? Is that a drop? Are you guys gonna sleep? Are you guys going to keep? You guys let me know all in the comment section below. I do have some early Yeezys. I have an early Yeezy coming in. It's not the Israfils, but I do have a Yeezy early review for you guys coming soon. So make sure you guys press the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. And I appreciate all the love and support for my channel, RAFFY Collects. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Make sure you guys stay blessed, stay healthy. Make sure you guys wash your hands. Make sure you guys wash your hands. This is RAFFY Collects. See you guys in the next video. Peace.